Okay, here's 1985 Mitsubishi Pajero 4x4 turbo diesel two-door wagon or two-door SUV, 4x4, 5-speed. It says Tourer V, but it's just an emblem. Chrome bumper. This is really a nice shape. Overall, I mean, outside it's really well kept. I didn't even wash it, so if you go closely, it's kind of dirty. It'll be a really clean car if completely washed and detailed. Anyway, the little lip right here, but the seats is really plush, clean, and the velour material is not worn out. It's got 98,000 kilometers. It's about 60 something miles, and interior is a really good shape. But I think it's got the some kind of a dog, so it smells a little bit of dog, and then I can tell, honestly, when I lift up the seat, I can see a little bit of like a dog hair. Look at this. So anyway, I smells a little bit. Runs really good. Oh, the other side. Access to the rear is like this, and then seat belts. You know, the passenger seat jumps up, and then passenger seat's clean. Some of the gauges. Overall, really great shape. I think this one is not working. The fog lights. Front two tires are new, but rears are different sizes. So I think you need rear tires, maybe Geoland or Yokohama, same size, and then it should be okay. So they're different. I mean, it's just a bigger, smaller diameter, so it shouldn't be put it into the 4x4 now. Anyway, let's start the engine. We have to kind of wait for the click, then start. Okay. Oh. It's not warmed up, so maybe it's shaky. But let me see. Okay, like that. And then interiors. AC might be recharged. Oh no, AC is working. A little bit. Maybe it needs to be recharged. And clock, radio. Seems like everything working. And running stable as soon as it warms up. Gate, this one's working. The rear gate, tailgate lock, horn, wiper, turn signal, high beam, everything works, and then headlights. And it is 3.5 cars, I guess it was. So it's a Japanese auction guarantee, and no rust inside. Kind of dark, but it's no rust. So maybe once it's tuned up, and then I think it's ready to go to the off-road, whatever. It's really nice shape. Really clean edge of the door. The rocker panel. Oh, that one's off. Anyway, the frame, front section, no accident whatsoever, and it's a clean unit. And no sign of accidents, no replacement of the core support. Core support's clean, original. Fender's clean, original. Inner firewall, inner fender, everything is original. Okay, so this is 1986 Mitsubishi Pajero 4x4 turbo diesel wagon. Thank you.